T-7A Red Eagle is a new advanced pilot training system designed for the U.S. Air Force that will train the next generation of fighter and bomber pilots for decades to come. Designed using digital threads, the T-7A aligns with the U.S. Air Force's Digital Century Series strategy by enabling faster and more affordable integration of new concepts and capabilities through virtual testing. The aircraft is built with digital engineering processes, agile software development, and open architecture mission systems to enable faster and more affordable development of future aircraft. The T-7A went from concept to first flight in 3 years as a result of a breaking the norm paradigm that included a modular design of the aircraft developed especially for maintainers. Highly immersive training and demolition of advanced fighter-like skills and performance. Features commensurate with current 4th and 5th generation fighters. Boeing's T-7A Red Hawk was purpose-built to incorporate provisions for growth, increase carrying capacity, and innovate maintenance-friendly designs. The T-7A design includes provisions for growth as requirements evolve for additional missions such as aggressor, light attack/combat variants. The ground-based training system, GBTS, which includes a variety of physical devices and teaching techniques, will prepare students for and complement the training conducted in T-7A. Of the Tuskegee